Hey y'all, it's me, your girl T, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Tiara and I enjoy makeup. So let's get into this video. I recorded this bomb look, this whole look right here without any sound. So my fiance said he would try to explain to you all what I did. So I am handing this tutorial over to him.
Thanks, love. So you see what we did here? I got this real bomb look. You see I got these nice colors, the blue, the yellow, the pink on there. This looks real good. Real good. Yeah, this is a solid one. I'm gonna have to use this when I go out. So come along with me as we do some makeup. Hey, we got it. Yeah. So I got these two palette joints over here. You know what I'm saying? I think they're gonna do real well. I got this Come As You Are by Karity and Matte by Karity. Oh, so it's same company. So I'm gonna use the yellow joint and the pink one. Oh, and a little bit of blue and that green too. See how this look on my arm? Oh, this gonna be icy. This gonna be real icy. Alright, so I'm gonna make sure my eyebrows are together. So I got this eyebrow stuff, you know, I'm gonna get it together, get a little color in there, you know, because my eyebrows sometimes they can be a little thin. So I'm gonna just boom, bang it out. Bam. And you see I got the nice little fade in there. It looked like somebody put a taper to that jump, but it's not a taper, it is me. So then I'm gonna put some color on my eyebrows, you know, just to get that together. Be out here. Now I'm gonna get my eyelids popping. Gotta lighten that up. There we go. And I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get that yellow in there. There we go. So yep. Yellow shading, and I think I'm gonna only do like half of my eyelid with this. And I'm gonna get some of this pink. And I like the pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. I don't know if y'all knew that about me. Now I'm gonna use some of this blue. And you know, it takes a different kind of person to use blue. And guess what? I'm one of those people. And so I'm painting in the blue right there on the tips of my eyelids, almost like to make kind of like a wing. And now I'm gonna put in some of this like orange color to get right above my eyelashes. So I'm blending it in, getting a nice gradient on my eyelids. And now what I'm doing is, I think they call this cutting the crease. Yeah, so I think this is cutting the crease. I've been learning, y'all. And then I shade in over it. That makes so much sense. Okay, yeah. Look at that. I'm going to this Come As You Are Karity situation. I'm gonna use that like goldish looking color and hit the pat it over there. And yeah, I'm gonna use this like rose gold situation to add some more sheen to my eyelids. My eyelids about to be popping. All right, so now I'm going to do something. Oh, I see. What's that called? Eyeliner? Yep, that's what you did. Pay attention. Okay, now I'm gonna get my face together. I think this is called foundation. So we're getting my foundation on, getting all over my face, making sure it's even and stuff. Now I'm gonna get under my eyelids just to add a smidge more. And they're gonna be popping, and so we Gucci. Don't buy a bad brush. Just make sure you get a good one. Make that investment, y'all. And so now I'm getting my tribal look going with the jump, but then I'm gonna blend it on in. And that is, I think, was that blush? No, it's not blush. But it did something to my cheekbones. It was nice. Now I'm adding the blush. And you can tell because I look like I'm blushing. So now I'm about to set some powder under my eyelids. And so let me know under the comments, because I know that this look is bomb. Let me know under the comments, all right? Don't be shy. This look is bomb. So comment, be my friend. Bang, bang, bang. All right. So, yep, setting that powder. Boom, boom, boom. Now I'm about to show y'all my secret weapon, the white eyeliner. Watch me. Watch me. So hold up. Ooh. Y'all, if y'all don't know about it, get hit. White eyeliner. And now I'm doing my Star Wars dots. All right, from a galaxy far, far away. Flower power. Now I'm about to add highlight. But I love this stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Getting this shaded right on in. There we go. Oh yeah. And then I gotta get my lip gloss popping. Do you see it? Icy. Super icy. Super icy. Look that way. I love this look. And I'm just feeling like I'm like flower power out here. You know what I'm saying? Island girl. So I'm about to put on the full fit and I'll be right back.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below to me, your girl T. And don't forget to catch me in the next video.